Hello, we are XSY Seat Covers, specializing in premium custom fit seat covers. Today, we are going to install a new set of tailor-made seat covers for a Chrysler model equipped with a side armrest. Let's get started. First, we'll remove the old seat cover. We want to take off the side armrest, so we begin by unscrewing the center bolt to separate the backrest from the seat cushion. We'll start with the backrest. Remove the rear panel of the backrest by gently prying open the clips around the edges. Once all the clips are released, the backrest cover can be taken off completely. Next, we move on to the seat cushion cover. Turn the cushion over and unfasten the clips on the underside. Then, release the locking strips from the channels. Once that's done, the old seat cover can be fully removed. Now, it's time to install the new seat cover. Position the new cover over the seat cushion, making sure it's aligned properly. Tuck the edge fasteners into the channels on the foam padding. Adjust the cover to smooth out any wrinkles, then secure the bottom clips firmly in place. With that, the cushion cover is installed. Moving on to the backrest, follow the same method. Insert the fasteners into the foam channels and fit the cover snugly over the backrest. Attach the rear clips and make sure everything is neatly arranged. Now, reattach the backrest to the seat base, just like when we disassembled it, and tighten the center screw. Finally, we install the armrest cover. Simply slide it on like a sleeve and zip it up. Then, reinstall the armrest onto the seat. And we're done. Finally, reinstall the backboard of the backrest. Let's take a look at the final result. The new seat cover fits perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow us.